Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange rewards Roberto Carlos in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. He is the TOTY icon with 94 OVR left back position. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap a exchange button and then tap this Roberto Carlos. You can tap the icon for the details. Tap again. So left back from Brazil, Roberto Carlos. You can tap the traits. He is part of Team of the Year icon player. He got total A6 traits. Long throw, powerful driven free kick. He is famous for a powerful free kick. Long shot taker and avoid weaker foot because he is very powerful in left foot. And preferred foot, of course, left one. Let's get back. So you have to fulfill this condition. Roberto Carlos token, 8 token to get this player. So for example, there are total 8 tokens that you can get. You can tap the first one. So you need 70 plus OVR 11 player here. Confirm and exchange, unlock. So we got 1 token and 1 player. So give it a try. There are total 8 tokens that you can exchange. This is the last one, for example, the highest one. So please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.